I'm back. So, what are we cooking up today? Well, I essentially found a super lucrative opportunity. It resides within websites and AI and selling all that good, right? What am I talking about? Firework company, stores, and stands. Why? They're seasonal. They need the traffic, right? How can their stands stay up even though they aren't there? How can people get information on the Facebook page? They are If you still are thinking your Facebook page is actually driving most of your traffic, I'm sorry, but it's not. You could do better by posting Instagram content and probably doubling to tripling your actually traffic for your business. Facebook pages don't do jack shit. Sorry. Hate to tell it. Hate to say it like that. Facebook pages aren't going to make your business. What will make your business move? Having a credible website to make your brand look more trusted and actually brand it. You look like a legitimate business when you have a website. When you don't, and you just have a vibe-coded slot bullshit, we're going to get into it. I will simultaneously demonstrating my tools, simultaneously building 8 websites at a time to its fullest extent and with actual credible, legitimate, not just vibe-coded slop, legitimate website. There's a problem. Most people want a digital footprint, but they don't know how to do it. Oh, I can't vibe-code a website. Stop! Your vibe-coded website is ass. I will promise. So, what I had good old Hermes do for me is I had him go and do another contact scrape for firework stands within my area, and he cooked. He's literally finding the most lucrative opportunities for me. Let's get into it. Let me actually show you. We're going to go here, and we are going to come in here. Good old Hermes, literally right off the bat. They have a website. Let's check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad, okay? We could definitely improve on this. The first one, not bad. We could definitely improve on this. It's okay. This looks kind of scammy. I'm not going to lie, especially to the shop now button. It looks like we might be in a call center. Yikes. We're not part of that. Next one. Okay. Not bad. It's fair. We could definitely do better. We're just going to see what Claude can run. This is pretty generic. I mean, most people just need something like this. So let's see number 3, Crackling Kirks. You know, I'm not going to clown on them too hard because it looks like they do get quite a bit of traffic and it's pretty low. Yikes. Bruh. I like it's cool that they have them holding it, but it's also like, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to help you out today. All right, let's get back to it. Who else on the list? Mind you, we're going to simultaneously build every one of these people a better website of their own. So they're active, and this is what I applaud them for not doing the vibe coded kind of BS. What the fuck is? You know what? Cool. I'm going to help you out too, bro. Next. Oh my. I am salivating at the mouth. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? This is not okay. So I'm going to swoop in and actually help as well. Let's keep going. So that's Big Bernie's curbside. You guys see it? You see how broken this is? You see that? Yeah. They're all bad, chat. What the fuck? You see how lucrative this opportunity is? These are so outdated. Let's see. It is up to date, and it's powered by Shopify. Great. We just give them a new Shopify website. We don't even have to host it, dog. They get the website. We go on our way. Woo! All right. Maybe a little excessive. I need to calm down. I'm getting too excited. It is getting too lucrative. Give me another. This is a vibe-coded website. This is probably something that I would get at first prompt. Okay, not crazy good. Yikes. And I think this would be our last one. People are definitely getting more in tune to like this vibe coding thing, but still kind of mid. Some things are broken on here. Got some overlap in tech. This is broken. It goes in and out. That's kind of works, but yeah, we could do better. They do have an app as well, so they might decline, but let's cook. Let's absolutely cook. So let's come back over to Hermes, and we're gonna do a copy and paste of all these, and we're actually gonna just delete all of them so we have a little bit more RAM. Then we're gonna come back over to our big boy Claude. Oh, Claude, build me some shit. Claude. So once you get Claude back up, then you're going to just paste everything we just got. Now, the prompt first try, okay? This is what we're going for. We do not majorly want like everybody to have a multi-page website. Cool, but we're going to mainly optimize most of the websites while avoiding vibe-coded AI stuff. Nope. Hey, Claude, I'm going to need you to build me websites for each one of these businesses. Most of them, if not all of them, already have a website. We just need to optimize the website, make it less like AI slop and vibe-coded slop, and actually use my skills that I have available to improve these websites, make them more legitimate, make them easier to use for customers, meaning make it more hospitable for use, and finally do some cool features like demonstrate different kinds of fireworks, actually have an arrangement or an assortment of different fireworks people can see from. Do as much research as you need, and if you have more context questions, feel free to ask. Use skills like design ops and anything else that will help you make these websites look beautiful and amazing for fireworks in the 4th of July. Make them also personalized to each company. Do not make them all the same.
Now we cook.
Oh, so we just wait, do our thing. Oh, Claude, are you cooking? Cooking, Claude? Oh, okay. So, pitch demos. Yeah, we want demos. This is where it gets hard because each one could be different, but I think I just want to go with one main one so it doesn't get confused. We might just go with HTML for now, but I think I did something very wrong. We're going to have to do /effort. I'm going to /C, and then we go and switch to Ultra Code. Come on, man! Hey, Ultra Code. Yes. And then we tell them to continue. Oh, yeah. Claude's going to Claude. We sit here, do our thing, man. So I think one of the biggest things you want to actually avoid while making websites for companies is make sure you're not actually doing big franchise companies, because it's going to be very hard for you to actually get the job landed. Most times they already have a website builder and you have to go through corporate structure. In the end, it just gets really expensive, way too time consuming. Honestly, with this, they should have the previews to where you view it without having to do it. This is cool. I'm going to tell Claude something real quick. This is why it's good to do research as well. Hey, Claude, on this website, they have a 3D firework preview display. Analyze it, include it in all the websites. That feature alone, a firework demonstration, is going to be helpful for the business, right? That alone could sell the website itself. Businesses only want one or two really cool features, and then the rest, yeah, it's information and looks good. You can provide 1 to 2 cool ass features with AI, you're seriously gonna make money. Like, I'm not kidding you. Go talk to a business owner. If you are half-ass technical and ambitious and willing to learn, you will be able to take this AI, package it, and sell it to a business. I promise you. It is not as difficult as people make it think. You just have to talk to people. Like, it's not scary as you make it seem. It's really not scary. Build all of these websites at the same time. Go on their Facebook pages if needed, pull images, use something like Scrapeling, and just scrape the internet for each business. Treat each one of these as a dynamic workflow. We're clotting. Claude's clotting. Claude is clotting. Static snapshot collector. We're gonna do this. We're doing that. So I think it's understanding what we need. There are CT web client demos. So this is a meaty, exciting build. Me too. 6 firework businesses. Yep. Each needing a website that feels legit. Yep. Hospitable. And genuinely useful. The fireworks showcase, I genuinely think, is going to take this a step above. And mind you, some of the people that actually have websites, like I think this Crackle and Kurt was one, maybe not bad. This could be improved. Like, you already have websites on here. Let's get previews of these. It's not that. Let's see what it's like. See, they got videos. Boom, 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 boom. I get too excited with Firework. But this, neat. So I can add it to the show. Open show builder. Ooh. See, this is cool. This literally, you can sell this for thousands of dollars. Like legit shit. This is actually super dope. Let's go back to the store. What should we add? Fuck it. Fiesta Grande. Oh, electric hats. Cosmic debris. Debris. Colored demon. Nah. Yeah. What we got now? Oh, assembling show. Oh, how's this start? Oh, I think they're going. Start. Yes. Okay. Well, let's get to a minute 15. Oh. Jeez. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is kind of cool. This is really cool, actually. Let's tell Claude. While you're at it, kind of run through this Firework show feature. I want to copy this exact Firework show feature for every single website with their own inventory of fireworks. I know a lot of people actually have YouTube videos, but let's figure out how we can build this and let's get it built for each and every website.
This is gonna be sick!
But genuinely, how do you think they're doing this? Hosted on YouTube. And it's smooth. It's 4K. Let's see. Inspect. Glowfireworks.com. Let's see what that's about. Oops, that's not it. It's not the red tunnel. Okay, so this is what they're using. Okay, so this is the website. It looks like glowfireworks.com is the actual website they're using to make this really cool firework display feature. So incorporate that with every fireworks company's own personal inventory. So it's personalized to them. How did I find that? So let's actually go back. I just found a really, really, really cool feature on Black Cat's fireworks stand. And it was this whole firework demonstration, right? This is what we actually want to see. This is what we want to have on our website. How did they do this? I essentially came to the developer tools. This is super simple. Anybody can do this. Actually, there's quite a few tools that you can run in here. I believe somewhere you can actually do like web page speed tests and analytics. But what I did is I essentially came in here and I said, okay, how is this on YouTube? How is this all set up? What's running this? So I came over here, actually looked at some of the code and just scrolled through. You can see they got some different, this very well could have been built with Claude and AI. Got an agent builder here for glowfireworks.com. Glowfireworks.com was a link that was in the developer tools. Anyone could have just did what I did and found out how this was actually made. Super cool. We're about to get something cooking here soon. And mind you, Black Cat's website is nothing crazy. Like the 3D show builder is insane. The rest is like, it's pretty average. It's not anything that looks good for sure, but it's not like over the top 3D animations. Like I see a lot of people trying to do these scrollable websites and it doesn't look good. It's annoying to actually get through. And in the end, your website just looks like ass and is horrible for performance. Imagine telling someone, hey, you want to get to my bottom of my website? Do this, but you're not even done yet. Hold on, keep going. Yeah. Oh, keep going because the whole thing's scrollable. Why? Like, I get it for a hero section, but you do not need to make the whole website scrollable. That's my rant. That's my TED Talk. So glowfireworks.com. That's how they did this. We can put everybody's logo there. That's super cool. Have a slow-mo mode. Let's see what the pricing is on this. See, that's a problem. Let's basically just recreate glowfireworks.com because they charge $1,000 a year. So let's do the exact same thing and recreate glowfireworks.com. Just like that. We're now going to make a $1,000 service. Now, is this going to turn out the same? I don't know. 10,000 visitors or less per year, you'll stay within the 10,000 impressions and don't have a website. No problem. We'll create a show builder link for you. They're doing $1,000 a year. Just kind of crazy, unnecessary. We run the same tactic. We run it back. What are they using? boom, 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 man. Boom, 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 and boom lines. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, glowfirework.com. Not paying $1,000 a year for that. Unnecessary. Bathroom break. Higher or lower, this Claude code section works for 45 minutes, higher or lower. So basically you can see down here, we have 1 to 2 agents running right now. I think just on the research design. I don't think this is actually even like really getting more. Yeah, so they're just starting. They're basically building the foundation. They want to figure out how to actually build this glowfireworks.com, and it looks like Sky Show Engine might be it. So we got basically all these been running for a couple minutes now. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna let it ride. Oh, what'd you click, Claude? What'd you do? Right. Workflow 1 is working. Workflow 2 is ready. That's what we love to see. What we love to see. All right. So builds shared the 3D ads engine, all 6 personalized sites, the base 3D show builder. Nice. Scrapes real logos, photos, 40 agents across foundation. It just said that it spawned 40 agents across. Whoa, you guys probably can't see that yet, huh? Says it right here. 40 agents to foundation research assets, design, build, review, and fix. That's kind of always been my workflow and my pipeline. If you guys want a huge secret on how I actually do my process, right now we got to get context, right? And that's what we're doing right now. We're compiling what do we have, what do we still have to go search for. This is the foundation and research. Foundation is a lot of what model do you want to use, what kind of effort, and when I say effort, that doesn't just pertain to Claude. I do talk about Codex, what GPT do you want to use, how do you actually want to go about designing it, even Minimax or some of these other free models that are or Chinese models that are much cheaper. That's your foundation, okay? That's who are you using, what tools, and then get your research together. Your assets are going to be pictures, logos, anything that you need for the website. Obviously, design it, build it, review it, look at it, reiterate if you have to, fix, and then kind of run it through the loop again if you need to. But 9 times out of 10, you get most of what you need. You just have to here and there actually add a bit more. Awesome. So it's continuing away. If we were to actually look, so we still got, they're basically still building the original kind of Sky Engine show box. This is how our 3D show builder is actually going to function. This is the engine it uses. So it's not hosted on YouTube. We're not taking the videos and putting them into Blender. No, it's actually using a Firework demonstrating kind of software. That's what it's generated. So then we have research, assets, designs, build. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this comes out. We are definitely going to be cooking for a minute. Probably over, I wouldn't doubt it if it comes up to an hour. I'll let workflow 1 finish. I'm auto notified. All right, then launch, create flow, and report back with the process. Sit tight. It's going to be a serious package when it lands. Oh, I'm ready for a serious package, man. Serious package. Let's talk to Hermes for a bit. Let's show a super cool feature that I can demonstrate. So if I come to my Discord, you guys might be able to hear this, maybe not. We'll see here. Page it pops up and check 1.2. Come on, it's taking its sweet time. Sweet precious time. Okay, so I'm muted right now, but invite Hermes to the chat. It might only do it on my phone because I might have disabled what's Hermes talking about. So maybe I need to go back into it. Hermes, it'll work on my phone. Oh, I'll just come into my Discord, join the chat. Problem. Yo, Hermes. I wonder if we got rid of the Discord voice bridge. I think I found the problem. I did a security audit the other day, and I actually got rid of this voice agent that actually allows me to talk to Hermes just in a voice chat here in Discord. Yeah, everybody doesn't like managing their AI agents in a Discord. What I like about it is I can actually hand my AI agents off to my friends and let them use my AI agents for a day just to get like a feel of, hey, yeah, it can put a lot of context you maybe don't want, so don't put it on your personal agent. But if it's an agent that's like, hey, you're not necessarily my personal agent, but you're an agent that's going to help me out, you can hand this off to a business owner and collect context. I'm being dead serious. You can literally give Hermes to a business owner. The business owner could use it depending on if you have permission set for that Hermes agent to start building. But you can just use it as a context collector. It's like your tax collector. We needed one of those real quick. Let's see. How's Claude doing? Ooh, so it's finished those. It's now doing the research for each. So look, it's taking my tokens. I'm never getting those back. Wah, wah. I'm about to make a banging website though. It's pretty cool. I like this dashboard. This is one of the few times I've actually got to use it because this is a crazy build out. 8 websites at once. Is it doing 8 or 6? It looks like it maybe has 7. No, I'm counting those wrong. It only has 6. Shit. There's the number. So we'll continue letting it build out. I'm curious what this turns into. That was my hand. You don't want to see what me and Hermes have been exchanging back and forth. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, I can show that. You guys want to see it? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's awful. It's actual, just straight raunchy. That's what I got going with Hermes. Me and Hermes, you doing some crazy shit. Back to work. Hermes is figuring this out. This is literally why I love Hermes Agent. And why everybody that's actually shitting on Hermes Agent is shitting on themselves. They're literally shitting down their pants. This is able to call out and do multiple tools without me having to ask. 9 times out of 10, if I said, set it up, it was working the other day, it would literally just say, no, it wasn't, brother. Not only does my Hermes agent have memory, so it remembers what I tell it from the other day or what happened with the other day, I can literally look up exact chat logs, which is awesome. But think Hermes here, it just told me that my voice bridge detection was passed. So I think we should all be good. Yep, it's literally telling me right here it was turned off and now it's turned back on. So if I come over to Discord, leave and join, go ahead and restart the gateway. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and restart the gateway. Voice dictation. That's the key. That's how you win in 2026. No more. None of that. Okay? Stop it. Go home. You're drunk. Use your words. Oh God, big Lord, what the fuck? Do the mega gaze home! You have been summoned. Do the mega gaze home! Beep beep, Claude, you done yet? Hermes, what did you cook? That's how it speaks, actually. I'm gonna show you when it does that. That's how it does it. Yeah, I know we didn't get to fix it. Okay, so now it's telling me I'm good to go to join it. Oh, it's restarting now. Hold on. It will work here in a second. So,
Connor, the Discord voice bridge checks out.
This is what it'll sound like once it's actually done. It's Hermes. We're actually what? Claude? Let's check in on Ronald. Claude! Whoa, bro, we're actually cooking. We're on the design now for each 6 of the websites. And it's looking like we got proper context. So roughly it's taking about, so this is why you guys can't actually do that with your AI, because my context, each one of these is taking about 60 to 100,000 tokens just for the foundation. And then when we're talking about building and designing, another 50 to 60,000, and then another 50 to 60,000, and then another 50 to 60,000. And so I don't know, you can go ahead and take all those times 6. It's gonna be a big number of how many tokens I'm gobbling up. All mine. I'm munching the tokens. Mine. So Claude, did you get this working yet? You still do not reply in the voice chat or join the voice chat when I join the voice chat, both on my Mac Mini or my phone. Let's get those working. So it's almost done on the designs. I want to let this, I want to let Claude and Hermes. Oh, it's the freaky shit. Put it away. You don't want to see what I'm doing with my AI. That's some fucking. Wow. Oh, Hermes. Oh, it's the freaky shit again. All right. Make sure you take good care of them. Hermes and Claude for me, please. Are you done yet, Claude? Claude! So, holy shit. Yeah, this is a little more of a build out, little comprehensive. I'm kind of scared to see how this build actually turns out. Most people say that around 35,000 tokens in your Claude context window is when your context kind of starts to get misconstrued. It doesn't actually follow what you're trying to say after those 35,000 tokens. That is what's said. I have literally went over 35,000 tokens in every one of these phases. Maybe not good, but where I am optimistic and have hope is that we are using Ultra code in this whole entire thing. We're using dynamic workflows as well. So it's handling these each as their own context window. So what's cool is for the foundation, this is a context window, right? We take that context, move it to this context window, and then this context window. Each of these are separate, but we are able to pull from other ones. So all I know is I'm going to be cooking. Now, how do we, so this is the biggest deal. People don't know how to actually outreach these companies. It's wild because if we go up here, Hermes literally attached every phone number in Facebook that you can go text or call. And if you don't have those, most of the time, it's going to include a direct address, okay? To some of the, it has direct addresses. You can go to these stores wherever you need to, okay? Springfield, Nebraska, Hickman, Nebraska, There's plenty of different locations for you guys to actually start outreaching. Firework stands are so lucrative, and I highly recommend that you get on them sooner than later because they are seasonal and they will be, bye-bye, my friend, back to the lobby. Goodbye, my friend. Back to the lobby. Claude produced shit. Look at this. This is bad. This is not what we want. It doesn't even work. So I think it's actually still doing it and it's going to review it. But yeah, this is cool. But yeah, what's that? This is quite cool when it comes down to it. It's got some cool different animations, but not what we're going for at all. This is not any 4th of July theme, like a lot of broken deals. But mind you, this is first shot. Right? I don't know. A lot of these don't work. It's not functional. This is cool. This might add to my big crackle. I wonder what because it's right now it's just giving us one website, and it's kind of crazy because some of these gobbled up quite a bit of context. All right. So it's got to go into the review process now and fix it. Very interesting. I would like to see what it fixes on this. I think number one is it's too generic. It's too bland. It's too, this doesn't I don't know. We need to fix a lot of this because this is just some vibe coded stuff. This is what most people would just say, oh yeah, this looks good. This would be my website. No, my friend, we don't stop there. Claude is still Clauding. It is reiterating on what it has done. So, let's give us a few, and we'll see what Claude cooks up. So, it said it reviewed Crackling Kirks. We'll see. The build to show is really cool. My only problem with it is it's not exactly what we want. Cool, but not that cool. I'd like to see some of these other ones as well that they got. Cool. So it's still got to go through a fixing and reiteration process, but this would be technically the first iteration without going through the iteration process or the refining process. Make it so you can talk in the voice chat. All right, so it finished its last review. Let's see. Okay. What did it say? Oh, that was for something else. So it's on the fixing and reiteration process. So there's a couple things that we're going to actually have to reiterate on is the fact that we want less AI slop design. We need proper booms and bangs and whatnot. But this is something that you could sell to every firework stand company. So once you got it locked down, you can go in and rinse and repeat. You not only build the website, but you build the actual performance and demonstration platform. You literally go boom, man. All right, Claude, continue to cook. So it is over 45 minutes already. We are at the 47-minute mark. This thing has been cooking for a minute, man. A minute. And I would like to get it done now so I can start reiterating. And I want to see what the rest of these websites be looking like too. For real. For real, Keisha. Be back.
The crackle you can feel.
Heavy pronunciation on crack. Okay. Claude has to be about done because I'm going to be about out of storage for recording. The fuck? Claude, how we cooking? What's cooking? What's good, man? I will be back when all of these are done because, yeah, I am about to run out of storage. Again, the fuck? So, actually, this is the previous website that was on the last video that we did on how to build a website for a fireworks stand. This is ended up what the finished product kind of looked like. This was before we even realized that there was a firework like show builder. This is what we were doing. So this is cool, but we could do 3D and literally give it to them. I already contacted this company and they said no. So feel free, anyone wants to hit me up for a fireworks stand website and really like this layout of this one, feel free. I will give it to you very quick, very easy, very sleek. I do very good business. So let's see. Wow. So finally, after like an hour, I thought I was going to fall asleep here. We might have actually got it done. Phase 2 is live, recreate glow. So we're actually trying to get the glow fireworks kind of glow to work. Amazing. Let's open each website so we can go through, critique them based off their style. And for the recreate glow phase, make sure that we want a 3D and we want it just like Glow Fireworks and how they do their firework demonstrations and shows. And again, we want each firework company to be able to build their own show based off of the inventory that they have available. We're still cooking with this one, you know. We got to open each website. We got to check to actually see how this is going to do it. So it's going to try to build it and integrate inventory. Awesome. So it's going to understand the glow fireworks and how to build that. It's going to build that in the back end while it's going to take care and open this. And we are going to go through and critique each website. So let's see, waiting for this to actually go. So phase 2 is probably actually going to take a while. So while this is going and until we get to critiquing, we will see you then. 10 hours later. This thing has been working for another 30 minutes. We've used approximately 500,000 tokens again. And this is just trying to recreate the glow firework. Oh, what the fuck did we do, Charles? It's still in phase 1. Shit, man. This is gonna take forever. 10 hours later. So hold on. So big problemo. These all, let me show you. Some of them don't, but a lot of these look like doo-doo trains. We ain't into the doo-doo train today. So summon the storm. Looks like shit. What the fuck? This is not really anything we want. Mind you, it is still running. It's got 36 agents. 31 agents going, and 26 of them are still going. So, not exactly what we want. Can't click on anything. This is probably one of the better ones too. I hate to admit it, but this one's completely broken. Kirkling cracks. This is the one we were seeing, and I didn't like it. Again, more AI slop. This is what you guys would get on your first try. Go big or go home. See, something I like about this is because we can actually add how many big booms we want. I want a lot of big booms. Play show. A lot of big booms. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. So yeah, this fucking shit sucks. Next, this one's kind of a little bit better, but still kind of the same problema. Basically what I told Claude is all of these look like A-Light Slop, fix it. Let's actually make these look way less like A-Light Slop, use the design skills, and make sure that you are using any other front-end skill and pro UI skills. Use the impeccable skills. We're building it for a Firework store, so depending around the 4th, sometimes it doesn't get what I'm saying. But yeah, these all look like trash. It's pretty easy to see. So yeah, not good. We will come back when the new iteration is out.
It's the next morning, and these fuckers didn't generate like shit. What the fuck? This is the glow fireworks we were trying to recreate. I'm so glad that it didn't even... It generated absolute shit. So I said they look super generic. They look super bland. Get firework images or firework videos as the hero image. And then for glowfireworks.com recreation, you completely failed at that. It's not even like a 3D fireworks show like how Glow Fireworks is. I don't know what the hell you did, but this is literally all bad. It's not anywhere near what we want to fix, and this is super referring to the impeccable skills. This is dog shit, man. So
I started making more bread as well.
yeah. So we will see where this goes, what it turns